Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss MCQs on molecular biology. I hope that you all have subscribed my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification for all our upcoming videos. So let's start the topic. So our first question is, the nucleolus is the site for the formation of spindle fiber, chromosomes, ribosomes or peroxisomes. So the correct answer to this question is ribosomes, which is option number C. Next question is, spliceosomes are not found in the cells of fungi, animals, bacteria and plants. So spliceosomes are structure which requires for splicing of RNA, and it's not found in prokaryotes. So the correct option would be option number C, bacteria. Next question, the equivalent of a structural gene is muton, cistron, operon or recon. So cistron is equal to structural gene, so our correct option would be option number B. Next, DNA dependent RNA polymerase catalyzes transcription on one strand of the DNA, which is called the template strand, coding strand, alpha strand or anti-strand. So the correct option is template strand, which is also known as non-coding strand. Next question, which one of the following is the start codon UAA, UAG, AUG or UGA? So the correct option is option number C, AUG, which codes for methionine, and rest all of them are not stop codon. UAA, UAG and UGA. So the correct option is option number C. Next question, which of the following is required as inducer for the expression of lac-operon? Lactose, lactose and galactose, glucose or galactose. So the correct option is option number A, which is lactose. Next question, a complex of ribosomes attached to a single strand of RNA is known as. So polypeptide is amino acids joined together forming a peptide chain. Next, Okazaki fragments are short strands synthesized on lagging strand of DNA. Next, polymer is lots of monomer joined together. So the correct option would be option number C, polysomes. Next question, transformation was discovered by Michelson and Stahl, Hershey and Chase, Griffith or Watson and Crick. So the correct option is option number C, Griffith. Identify the correct order of organization of genetic material from largest to smallest. So option number A is genome, chromosome, gene, nucleotide, or chromosome, genome, nucleotide or gene. Next, chromosome, gene, genome, nucleotide. Next, genome, chromosome, nucleotide or gene. So we know the smallest unit is nucleotide, so either option A or C is correct. Next, genome is the largest unit, so the correct option is option number A. Next question, removal of introns and joining of exons in a defined order during transcription is called looping, inducing, slicing or splicing. So the correct option is option number D, splicing. Next question, if one strand of DNA has the nitrogenous base sequence as A, T, C, T, G, what would be the complementary RNA strand sequence? So as we know, RNA has uracil at the place of thymine, and we know A pairs with T and C pairs with G. So A pairs with T, but in RNA we have uracil, so A pairs with U. So first one would be U. So according to that, our option B is correct, but let's see ahead. Then T will pair with A, then C will pair with G, then again T with A and G with C. So our option B would be correct. Next question, which one of the following is not a part of transcription unit in DNA? The inducer, a terminator, a promoter, the structural gene. So we know the inducer is required during lac-operon, so the correct option would be option number A. Next, Which one of the following does not follow the central dogma of molecular biology? So first we see what is central dogma. Formation of DNA from DNA is known as replication, then from DNA formation of RNA is known as transcription, then formation of protein from RNA is known as translation, and this is known as central dogma, but it is not followed by HIV since it forms DNA from RNA with the help of reverse transcriptase. So our correct option will be option number D. Next question. Semi-conservative replication of DNA was first demonstrated in Escherichia coli, which is E. coli, Streptococcus pneumonia, Salmonella typhimurium, and Drosophila melanogaster. So our correct option is option number A, E. coli. Next, in eukaryotic cell transcription, RNA splicing and RNA capping takes place inside the ribosomes, nucleus, dictyosomes, or ER. So our correct option is option number B, nucleus. Next, one gene, one enzyme hypothesis was postulated by Beadle and Totem, R. Franklin, Hershey and Chase, or A. Garrott. So our correct option is option number A, Beadle and Totem. Next question. Amino acid sequence in protein synthesis is decided by the sequence of rRNA, tRNA, mRNA, or cDNA. So codes are basically present on mRNA, so our correct option would be option number C. Next, in mutational event, when adenine is replaced by guanine, it is a case of frame shift mutation, transcription, transition, or transversion. So when adenine is replaced by guanine, so when purines are replaced by purine or pyrimidines are replaced by pyrimidine, it is known as transition. And when purine are replaced by pyrimidine or pyrimidine is replaced by purine, then it is known as transversion. So as we know, both adenine and guanine are purine, so it would be option number C, transition. Next question. Transformation experiment was first performed on which bacteria? E. coli, Diplococcus pneumonia, Salmonella, or Pasteurella pestis. So the correct option is option number B, Diplococcus pneumonia. Next, which of the following reunites the exon segments after RNA splicing? RNA polymerase, RNA primase, RNA ligase, or RNA proteases. So as we know, the function of joining is performed by ligase, so correct option would be option number C, RNA ligase. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.